We begin tonight back in Samoa, where an unimmunised toddler has landed this afternoon after being refused a measles vaccine here in New Zealand. The 15-month-old boy had been visiting New Zealand with his family, but was denied a vaccine at an Auckland medical clinic because he didn't have a New Zealand passport. His parents, fearing for his health, left him here with his New Zealand godparents, but this afternoon they took him home with everyone hoping for the best. It comes as the death toll in Samoa rose by 2 overnight to 55. Our cameraman Nick Monroe and reporter Nita Blake-Persen spoke to the boy's godfather Mark Wendt at Auckland Airport and started by asking who he was travelling to Samoa with.
My wife, my godson and my daughter.
How old are those kids?
My daughter is 9. My godson is just 15 months.
And what are their immunisation records?
My daughter's up to date. My godson couldn't have his because he was younger than 15 months when we came over. So we wanted to get him immunized here, but we tried. Couldn't.
Why not?
They refused and said that because he was a Samoan citizen, they couldn't give him immunization. We had all his records. There was a photo was sent to us. We gave it to the doctors, and they said that they couldn't do it.
And are you worried heading back over?
Yeah, of course. I mean, my godson, I still feel for him. And he's right well within the age bracket of those who are dying at the moment. So basically, he's on home detention when he gets back. We've already instructed our family to clean all the car up. We'll get him straight into the car and go straight home. And that's where he'll be until this all blows over.
Did you consider not taking him back?
Yes, he was actually supposed to travel originally with his parents last week on Wednesday, and they had fears that he would, contract the measles because he hasn't been immunized. But they said that they asked if we could stay with him for a week, see how it all went. Obviously, the death toll's gone up, and now they're really worried, and so are we. So we tried to get him immunized over the last week, and we couldn't. Last trial was yesterday, and they said no.
So you're just hoping now?
Yeah. Just hope for the best. Go back home and put him in home and just see what happens from there.
Do you have any messages for that doctor here?
Yeah, a little bit disappointed. My daughter and I and my wife are New Zealand citizens, so I'm not sure how much weight that has, but I guess because he's on a Samoan passport and he's our godson, they can't do it. And I kind of understand the precautions that are there with injecting them incorrectly or whatever, but we had records he could have tried something.
And that was Mark Wendt talking to Nita Blake-Persen.